Hello class, I'm going to give you a short presentation on my final project. So this is the Alpha Rho website redesign proposal that I have been creating for the 590 course as a project manager. So the project definition of this redesign proposal for the Alpha Rho chapter of Hermandad Sigma Iota Alpha Incorporada is to basically redesign the current website to have a consistency with content, with hierarchy, with design throughout the website. So some of the goals are to create video tutorials to teach the undergraduate members, create a prototype of what it should look like, make sure that it's appealing to college students. Criterias, I have both short and long, as you can read here. The project context is basically creating this and making it be something of beneficial use to the chapter so they can continue to recruit interested ladies. The rest is self-explanatory. The stakeholders will be the undergraduate members as well as the advisor and the professor who will be approving this. So the requirements are simple. Basically, video, the calendar, the social media outlets on the website, the About Us tabs, basically everything on the actual website, which we'll see coming up, needs just some moving around and some new spin into. The techniques we will use are self-explanatory as well. They're right here. This is my work breakdown structure, my WBS, and this is how it will appear. So the research is a research process. There's a gather content process. There's a website redesign process. There's a prototype after going through approval with the client. And there's the launch process. So here's the text version of what I just showed you in that diagram. The risk management was basically gathering the content, making sure that the undergraduate members will provide me with whatever content now in order to create a prototype. Basically making sure the undergraduate members like the new design, making sure nothing is broken, making sure that there's someone to update and to teach, making sure that the video and audio that they have on the website is appropriate, basically following internet guidelines and aesthetics. And this is the schedule, an example of the schedule, how long this will take. So the research process 13 days, gathering content 7, website design 14, prototype 19, launch 19. And it goes into further details with hours and minutes. There's also always room for a review process. I give myself 9 weeks at best, 15 weeks at second best to make sure everything catches up. This is the visual schedule. This is the actual home website now. So this is the current website without any improvements. So for example, this is their home page that has loud music playing, which is something we can fix. So what you see here in red bubbles are things that we can fix. The hierarchy on the home page, you don't know what to focus on. It's all just crammed up. On the About Us page, you have things in color, you have things center, align, you have things with bullet points, just fixing the layout overall. Also on the home page, the member list here, some have pictures, some don't. Just updating the info, alignment, and hyperlinks. So some things you can scroll over and it shows you basically advertisement things that get highlighted when and hyperlinked when they shouldn't. Again, alignment as well, and just interactivity, just making it fun to visit, useful. The goal is to bring more interested women onto this website. So things that we just looked at on the actual website, like I stated, is inconsistency in content, inconsistency in font, lack of information, breaking of the internet guidelines, and lack of hierarchy. Well, this is my final project for the Alpha Rho chapter of website redesign their current site. Thank you.